Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair. Some clients are looking for curly and wavy hair extensions, premium hair or Remy hair extensions. And yes, we offer this kind of curly and wavy and or customizable, not only straight but also curly hair extensions. So if your clients want wavy or curly hair extensions, you can send us a photo. We can do customization for you, and we also have custom textures. So this is a Remy human hair, and this is a premium version here. So no matter Remy or premium version or light color or dark color, it's all manageable. Thank you.